This is Burlat cherry variety on Prunus mahali broodstock. We are pruning almost all lateral branches, only leaving small stub where will be fruit for coming year. We are pruning last year dead stubs where was fruit. In the base of the 1-year branches are the most quality fruit. We are pruning all lateral branches from leaders. When the plants reach a certain height, prune them to the few vegetative buds. You can have up to 30 leaders on generative rootstocks. For less vigorous rootstocks, you can have 15 to 20 leaders. Remove all low-laying leaders because you will not be able to go with machinery under the canopy, and that area will receive less sunlight, so the fruit will be poorer quality. On this system, you can let the leaders rise as long as they are easily bendable so that you can easily pick the fruit. When you cut the leader, always choose a bud that goes out of canopy. The process is the same for all leaders, just repeat it. Weak branches remove completely. This is too much fruit on this weak branch, so cut it more. If the branch is weak but have spur buds on it, leave 3 to 4. If you can see here, a mistake was made in previous years and a thick branch was left. Now we will remove it so that it does not compete with the leader. This is where I made exception and leave two branches because they are young and have a lot of fruit potential. If the leader is too strong, try to rejuvenate it by cutting it back to a younger branch. Also, here is a young branch that has a lot spur buds. You can leave it because nothing is shading and have enough sunlight. This branch is too low, so we are removing completely. Now we can leave this young branch and try to make new leader from it. If you have any questions for me, be free to post them in the comment section, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.